Trading psychology consisting of the thoughts and beliefs as well as emotions and feelings that you have related to trading, related to the behavior of trading, and also to yourself as the trader. Trading psychology, our thoughts, beliefs, and our emotions are really what impacts our behavior, and that in turn impacts our performance. So when we have trading psychology that is effective, it's working well, it's serving us well, our behavior is positively impacted and our performance is improved. In addition to the technical aspects, the method or the model that you use as a trader, your risk management, what really is of importance is your trading psychology. And this is true if you're intermediate to experienced and you're not able to achieve consistent profitability. This is an important area for you to take a look at, because likely it isn't your method or your model or your risk management. It's something about you as a trader, your trading psychology, that is impacting your ability to be consistently profitable. We all know that losing is 100% part of the game. That never goes away. We can't get rid of that. But sometimes that can be some of the most challenging aspects of trading, to accept the loss and also to not let those losses impact us as a trader. Part of that is keeping the risk appropriate for your account, for your risk tolerance, but also making sure that it's not taking a toll on it. I know for me personally, this is an area that I'm having to give a lot of focus to, because if you're anything like me, the more I struggle, the more I'm challenged by trading, the worse decision I make. It's awful to be in that situation. I think a lot of traders talk about this, but it's like we get in this vicious cycle of the fight, flight, and freeze response. For me, the more I get in a situation where I want to react or respond, it's not in positive way. It is detrimental to the trading process. And so that's what we're working on. And it's a continuous process. So you can be an advanced trader and still be impacted by your trading psychology and still need to continually work on focusing on and emphasizing your trading psychology, making sure that your thoughts, beliefs, and your emotions are working well for you. The reason I like to highlight the thoughts and beliefs is because emotions happen naturally. They come about organically. It's very difficult to change your emotions. You can distance yourself from your emotions so that you can have more mastery over them, but that is very difficult to do. It is possible, but it's difficult. But your thoughts are really accessible. You can change your thoughts. You can tell yourself whatever it is that you want to believe, whatever it is that is helpful to you as a trader. You have the ability to emphasize those to yourself prior to trading, during the trading process, and even after the trading day has concluded, to really, really emphasize and practice that. I would love to hear from you. If any of this resonates with you and this sounds like something that you're dealing with or you're thinking about or you're struggling with, feel free to drop a comment and let me know, yes, that's you, this resonates with you, or this is helpful, or whatever. I would love to hear from you. So again, the reason we're targeting the thoughts is because they're much easier to control and to change and have mastery over. Emotions can be regulated, meaning they can be turned down and adjusted, but tackling your thoughts and your beliefs is much easier. So you can tell yourself what you want to believe. Sometimes it doesn't ring true in the moment when you have emotions on the line, when you're in an open trade. Sometimes you don't believe certain things. But prior to trading, before emotions were involved, before money was involved, it is something that you truly believed. So it is truth. It just doesn't resonate with you in the moment. And you can remind yourself of those things ahead of time during visualization, during the mindset warm-up. You can practice in the moment. So when you're in an open trade, you can be saying the things that you want to remember, almost like a mantra, reminding yourself over and over again what it is that what you want to remember. And then also debriefing. Basically debriefing after, sometimes just saying it out loud is just such a relief. You can also journal if that is something that you're into. You can say a lot in your journal. I'm not much of a journaler, so I like to say very little, just the very basics. But these are all ways that we can help get mastery and control over our thoughts and therefore have an impact on our emotions. Also, it's important to think very carefully about what are the thoughts and beliefs that are true, that serve you, and which ones don't. And we can emphasize and focus on eliminating the ones that don't serve you and the ones that aren't helpful, or at least reducing them and replacing them with thoughts and beliefs that do serve us.